So find the coordinates of P located at the intersection of circle with a radius of 5 and the terminal side of 150 degree angle in standard position. Okay, when you see this word standard position, all I want you to think of is this. Okay, think of the 4 generic triangles, okay, that we drew before. Think of that. Boom, 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 boom. It's good. When you see standard position, it's going to be one of those. Okay. Now, this is a fancy wording for basically this. 150 degrees is basically right here. Okay, that's 150 degrees. Okay. And when they say radius, okay, when they say radius, they basically mean hypotenuse. Okay, so this is going to be 5. That's basically what it means. And then I'm going to draw since this is in the second quadrant, I'm going to draw my generic triangle in the second quadrant. Okay, it's going to look like this. Okay. And then we have the X and we have the Y. Okay. And we just basically had to find X and Y. Okay, so again, 150 degrees lands us in the second quadrant. So we draw our generic second quadrant triangle. Okay, right here on the top left. Okay, 5 is basically your hypotenuse and it's asking you to find X and Y. Okay, it's just basically asking you to find X and Y. Okay, so again, this is 30 degrees. Okay, the reference angle here is 30 degrees. Okay, this is 90 degrees, which means this must mean 60. Okay, so you just basically use the same idea that we used earlier. Okay, 30, 60, 90, 45, 45, 90 to find X and Y. Okay, the X links up with the I'll do it in green this time. The X links up with the root 3. The 5 links up with the 2. Okay, so you basically get X over root 3 equals to 5 over 2. Okay, the Y links up with the 1, and the 5 again links up with the 2. Y over 1 equals to 5 over 2. Okay, I'll cut straight to the chase here. Y is going to equal to 5 over 2. And X is going to equal to 5 root 3 over 2. Now you are 99% done now. Remember, this is a coordinate, okay? Or I should say it's asking you for point P here, okay? It's asking you for point P, which is right here, that point right there. So X is going to be negative because you're going left. Okay, so the coordinate point P is going to be this. Negative 5 root 3 over 2 because you're going left for the X. Okay, and then 5 over 2. Okay, and that's it. Okay, that's your example. So things I think are pretty intuitive. The only thing you got to remember is that in the end, okay, X in this particular case is going left, which means it is negative. Y is going up, which means it's positive. Okay? That's it. So this would be your answer right here. Okay? Okay.